Top 5 celebrities who lost millions in NFTs. Here's the list right now. My name is Adam Shelton, the captain. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Now, Logan Paul is the first one on the list. He bought an NFT worth $623,000. Now that thing is worth $10. $10. That's crazy. Next one on the list is Steve. He's a producer and DJ electronic music. He spent something $346,000 and now it's worth $42,000 on an NFT. Next one on the list is Snoop Dogg. Snoop Dogg spent $7 million on an NFT, and that bad boy is now worth $688,000. Next one on the list is Neymar Jr. He is a Brazilian football sensation, and let's see what he paid for. He paid $580,000 and $570,000. Now it's worth $153,000 and $171,000. The next one on this is Marshmello. Okay, he purchased an NFT 1.4 million. Okay, and now it's only worth this amount of money. That is absolutely crazy. So those are the top 5 celebrities who lost millions of dollars in NFTs. Hopefully in 2023 it will be the better year for NFTs. My name is Adam Shelton, the captain. See you in the next video.